We gotta move faster. Now you've got one more thing to do before we get into the song, before the closing song. So we do one more thing. Yeah, a soulful sneeze. I'm sorry. A soulful sneeze. You can't read my lips, man. You gotta listen close, okay? Okay. Soulful. I've been working on this all day. Okay, we gotta do it fast. Go ahead. Soulful sneeze. Go ahead. It's been a while.
Willie Tyler and Lester, everybody. Wonderful job. Thank you very much. How about Willie Tyler and Lester? That's all you want.